Hi, I want to show you an app I have created for viewing INI files. So INI files is usually like configuration files. Some applications store data into INI files for like stores different information there, like connection strings. Some information stores like usernames and passwords and all. It's basically a configuration file. And sometimes I need to save them into different format, or like for documentation purposes to write documentation about particular INI files. So I created this app. This is my website. I will leave it in the description. To download file, I double click on download. To download this viewer and wait until downloading will start. Then click on archive. Double click on the MSI. Yeah, I'll get this screen because I am not registered publisher with Microsoft, and this is what I can click on more info. You can see like unknown publisher, but I'll click run anyway. Next, install, yes, and wait when it will be installed. Finish. You can see like new shortcut will appear. Now I double click on shortcut and my app will be started. I can select input file and I can select INI files. You can see it's showing like INI files. So I can navigate, go to my document and select INI file I want. And now it's showing content of the INI files in format of a table. So you can see like in different sections of INI files and different data for this section is stored. It's displayed as a table. I can view this data, or I can export this data into different format like Excel or Word or web page or CSV or XML file. And yeah, basically that's it. So it's showing INI files and allowing them to be exported in different formats. Yeah, that's it. Please give it a try and let me know if it works. Thank you.